How to fix if NFC is not working on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on more connections. Now tap on NFC, and from here make sure to turn this NFC button on. Now after turning on this button, NFC will start working. But after turning on this button, if you are still facing issue while using NFC, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this button, and then here tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while using NFC, then try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates. Now here in system and updates, tap on software update, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating the software of your mobile, the NFC will start working properly. So that's how you can fix if NFC is not working on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.